Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the beauty and versatility of the English language, one word at a time. I'm Alex, and I'm so excited to have you here today. Our word of the day is aspire. This is a C1 level verb that means to aim for something great. It's a word full of ambition and hope, perfect for those moments when we're striving to achieve our goals or dreams. Let's start with the definition. To aspire means to have a strong desire to achieve something, especially something important or high in value. For example, you might aspire to be a successful entrepreneur, a talented artist, or a compassionate leader. It's about setting your sights on something remarkable and working toward it with determination. Now let's look at some synonyms. Words like strive, pursue, and seek can carry a similar meaning to aspire, depending on the context. For example, you might say, she strives to make a difference in her community, or he pursues excellence in everything he does. Each of these conveys the same kind of purposeful effort. On the flip side, let's explore some antonyms. Words like settle, relinquish, and abandon are quite the opposite of aspire. For instance, instead of settling for less, she decided to aspire for more, or he refused to abandon his dreams despite the challenges. These contrasting words highlight the positive and driven nature of aspire. How about using aspire in everyday life? Imagine a friend asks you what motivates you. You could say, I aspire to make a meaningful impact through my career. Or if someone is giving advice, they might say, always aspire to be the best version of yourself. It's a word that fits perfectly in motivational speeches, career goals, and even casual conversations about dreams and ambitions. Here are a few more sentence examples to make it even clearer. She has always aspired to write a best-selling novel. They aspired to create a more inclusive workplace. We should all aspire to leave the world a better place for future generations. To sum up, aspire is all about reaching for the stars and aiming high. It's a word that embodies ambition, determination, and the pursuit of something extraordinary. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's episode. If you enjoyed learning about aspire, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show and keeps us motivated to bring you more exciting episodes. And here's a little challenge for you. Create your own sentence using aspire and share it in the comments. I'd love to hear how you incorporate this powerful word into your own language journey. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and as always, stay curious.